Hey guys, President Donovan, SqFt Realty, part of the Johnson Group here in the Waterways in beautiful Richmond Hill. I'm gonna tell you what, if you ain't been to the Waterways, this community is fantastic. It's got a private marina, they got stores, they got all kinds of stuff here for your entertainment, walking paths, kayak areas, bass fishing areas. I mean, dog walk parks, all those types of things. They got stuff for bocce ball, volleyball, 2 pools, well, 3 pools really, if you talk about the one in the front of the community and the 2 in the back by the marina. Fantastic location. But we're here today looking at Pulte Homes. We're in the model home for the Woodward. This home can come with several different features. You can have 4 bedrooms or 5 bedrooms. You can have 2.5 baths. You can have up to 5 baths. The starting square footage on this is around 2,960 square feet. It can go above that depending on the options you use, but let's check out this beautiful home by Pulte Homes. So now coming in this beautiful home, and I love, Pulte has a lot of great homes, right? Right now we're gonna check out this beautiful foyer area. You can see they got great light fixtures in here. Actually, this whole house has been fantastic. We're gonna go into this office and check it out real quick. It could be anything though, it doesn't have to be an office. It could be a playroom, exercise room, whatever you like. But let's check out this office real quick. Here's the office area that they have as an office. You see double doors, love that right there. And then you got beautiful, I love the way they set this room up. It's fantastic. Beautiful artwork and all that stuff. I mean, this kind of gives you the feel for what you could do with this. Now let's talk about this dining room. It's in the front of the home, as you can see. I love these light fixtures. You got the tray ceilings with crown molding on the inside. It's those sweeping crown molding. If you've seen my other videos, you know that I love that feature. But you got shiplap on the wall, like an inset thing so you can put like your china cabinet and all that stuff. Let's check out this dining room. So now here we are in the living room. I love this living room. It's wide open to the kitchen, which we'll get to. But just want to kind of show you, like you can add shiplap, as you can see, to the walls if you want to as an option. But all this space, look at this. I mean, we're talking about, look at the windows going out. It's fantastic. You get all that natural light coming in, wide open space so you can see the TV. You can entertain in here very easy. Let's check this one out. Now we're in the beautiful gourmet kitchen. I love this granite countertops, deep, 1 sink. All right, and then you got this great tile in the back, if you can see that. Love the black backsplash. You got your cooktop on your counter, and not quite a double oven over here. This is more like a microwave up top and an oven down below, but still super convenient, looks great. And then this beautiful refrigerator you got right there. Stainless steel appliances, as you can see. Let's check out this kitchen. Now we're still near the kitchen by the dining area right there, but I still want to miss this part right here. So this is an office right here you can have in your kitchen area. Fantastic, do your work here. You can watch everything that's going on. That's great. Let's check this out real quick. Hey, how you guys doing? Welcome to the lofted area in this beautiful home. As you can see, decorated to the nines. Love it up here. It's carpeted down here But a nice open space if you want to put a couch right here like they have, right? You can put the couch here, you can put a TV up in there. Great place to gather together if you're with your family, play some games and all that stuff. Let's check out this lofted area real quick. Now we're in the primary bedroom, and gorgeous is the only words I can think to describe this room. Plenty of space, but the details in the ceiling, you got the beams running across, tray ceilings with a crown molding, and then you got, look at this shiplap. I'm like, holy cow, king size bed all day. So no problem, this is a king size bed, 2 end tables, great space for your, if you want to put a huge armoire here or a TV or whatever. There's a sitting area. We're going to look through that, but check out this beautiful bedroom. Hey, good morning, right? You getting ready for work in this beautiful bathroom. As you can see, it's got a separate tub, separate shower over here, glass all the way up, tiled, beautiful dual vanity. I like the colors they use in the cabinets. Check this beautiful bathroom out. So now we're on the balcony, right? Holy cow, what a great place to hang out, chill out, drink some coffee or whatever beverages you like, and look out over everything that's going on. Fantastic. This one, they got a swing in there. You can put that in yourself, but look at all this space. I mean, look at this. This is gorgeous. So like I said, you can have 4 or 5 bedrooms in here. We already looked at the primary bedroom. Now this is one of the guest bedrooms. I love it. You get a good shot outside where everybody's hanging out on the deck and all that stuff. But it's a wide open space. You can fit a king size bed in here if you like. I love the paint job they did here. Obviously, you'd have to paint this yourself if you wanted to, but like, great space. Let's check it out. Now we're in the guest bathroom upstairs. This has got a shower tub combo and dual vanities. Why don't you check this one out? Now we're in another one of the other rooms. It's not the primary bedroom still. Big king size bed all day, nightstands if you want, armoires, all that good stuff. You can check it out. I love the paint color they got in here going on. Obviously you can paint whatever you want, but the shiplap going up the walls, love that. You obviously got a view going out to what will be your neighbor, but let's check out this room. Now we're here in the final bedroom of this beautiful model home. Not all that's left to see. There's still the back out there, which has got a great fire pit. Unbelievable fire pit, actually. But check out this beautiful room. It's got plenty of room. Once again, king size all day. All these rooms can have a king size bed in them, and they can fit nightstands and all that kind of stuff. But as you can see, they got big dresser in here, nice size mirror, and yeah, the bed. Let's check this one out. Now we're back in the living room, kitchen area, going out to the screened-in porch, which is beautiful. But one of the great things about this home, and one of the things I love the most, is that you can turn your outdoor experience with your screened-in porch and everything and make it a part of the inside on those cool nights when it's like 65 outside. You don't mind getting that kind of temperature in here. You can do this. Check this out. Watch. Not just that. Now we're wide open to the outside. It's fantastic. You just go right in, you know, you get to see this beautiful fire pit out here. We're gonna check all this stuff out, but man, what a great addition to a home. What better than a night out on your patio here with a fire roaring? It's 65 degrees outside. You're roasting marshmallow and stuff. How can you do it more elegantly? The lake is right there. Look at that beautiful location, beautiful home. You got to check this out. So I just want to thank you for joining me in this home tour of a Woodward Pulte Homes in the Waterways. And I want to thank Courtney Heidick for letting me film this beautiful home. If you guys have any questions about this home or any homes that Pulte has to offer, you can give me a call at 912-657-3544. Talk soon. Bye.